Here's a structured overview of duodenoscope. 1. Introduction. A duodenoscope is a specialized medical endoscope used mainly in gastroenterology. It plays a critical role in the diagnosis and treatment of conditions affecting the bile ducts, pancreas, and duodenum, often through a procedure called endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography. 2. Definition. A duodenoscope is a flexible, fiber optic, or video endoscope designed specifically to access the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine, and adjacent structures such as the pancreatic and bile ducts. 3. Types. Duodenoscopes can be classified into fiber optic duodenoscopes, older models using fiber bundles for image transmission. Video duodenoscopes, modern devices using a video chip at the tip for clearer imaging. Disposable duodenoscopes, single-use models to reduce infection risks. Hybrid duodenoscopes, reusable body with disposable distal end caps for better sterilization. 4. Parts. Key parts of a duodenoscope include insertion tube, flexible shaft introduced into the digestive tract. Control section allows steering, suction, and instrument passage. Light source and camera for illumination and visualization. Instrument channel enables passage of catheters, guide wires, and accessories. Distal tip with elevator mechanism, crucial for directing instruments into bile and pancreatic ducts. 5. Uses duodenoscopes are mainly used for ERCP and related therapeutic procedures. Diagnosing bile duct and pancreatic diseases. Removing gallstones from bile ducts. Placing stents in blocked bile or pancreatic ducts. Treating strictures or leaks. Collecting tissue samples biopsy. 6. Precautions. Must undergo strict cleaning and disinfection after every use. Operators should be highly trained. Patient monitoring for complications is essential. Use disposable or partially disposable models when infection control is critical. 7. Advantages. Minimally invasive compared to surgery. Allows both diagnosis and treatment in the same procedure. Shorter recovery time for patients. High accuracy for bile duct and pancreatic conditions. 8. Risks and complications. Infections due to difficulty sterilizing elevator mechanism. Pancreatitis, post-ERCP pancreatitis is the most common complication. Bleeding, especially after sphincterotomy, perforation of the gastrointestinal tract, sedation-related complications. 9. How to use. For healthcare professionals only. 1. Patient prepared with sedation or anesthesia. 2. Duodenoscope inserted through the mouth, esophagus, stomach, duodenum. 3. Scope position near the ampulla of Vater. 4. Contrast dye may be injected to visualize ducts, ERCP. 5. Diagnostic therapeutic instruments, stents, baskets, guide wires, pass through working channel. 6. Procedure completed, scope carefully withdrawn, and patient monitored post-procedure. 10. Conclusion. The duodenoscope is an essential tool in modern gastroenterology, especially for ERCP procedures, enabling effective diagnosis and treatment of complex biliary and pancreatic conditions. However, due to its design, it carries higher risks of infection and complications, making rigorous disinfection, skilled handling, and careful patient monitoring crucial for safe use. Thank you. Have a nice day.